Hello everyone and welcome to CapCut for social media video editing. Today is our first lesson and our lesson topic is Introduction to CapCut. So I want to mention what is CapCut. CapCut is a video editing tool where you can just edit your particular video and you can just use it for your different platform like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and etc. So now let's go over to Google and see how we can access this particular CapCut. After coming over to the Google, you have to search for CapCut. And then let's go over here. Here you can see the first one is called CapCut. Now let's click over this one and then enter, and you will have this type of interface where you can have the option for sign up for free, or if you're having an account already, you can just sign in. So let's sign up for free. I'll click on this and it will just take me to this next page. Where next page, you can just continue with Google, continue with TikTok, continue with Facebook, continue with CapCut Mobile if you are having already CapCut in your particular mobile device. Also, you can just start with any random email, whichever you're having. I'll be logging with Google. So continue with Google. I'll be clicking on that. It will just ask me some permissions. I have to just confirm it and it will start creating my account. Now here you can see I can just use different name. Here is the specific name for me. They gave a random name. I can just use any other name. I'll keep this one. And then let's open our CapCut. It will just take us to our particular CapCut interface. Then after loading, it will ask some following questions, like the first one as which of the following role best describe you. So which one you want to use, you can just click over here. I'll just put on personal use and then click over next. The second question they ask, what do you feel like doing? So here you can just put anyone. I'll just put here for personal use and then I'll go for the next one. In the next one, they ask, what kind of video do you create with CapCut? So what kind of video I'm going to create with CapCut? I want to select here for videos following a trend. You can select any random one and then you can click over to the submit. If you don't want to answer these questions, then you can just go over here and click on skip. So I'll just submit this one. And now you can see our particular CapCut interface is here. I'll be talking about this CapCut interface in our next class. Before that, I just want to show you another thing, how to download the CapCut for your particular desktop. There is an app for CapCut. So now let's click on this CapCut and it will just take us over here. Now here you can see download CapCut desktop. You can download from here. Also, you can download it from here. Download CapCut desktop. If you click, it will take some time and here you can see it's downloading. After download, simply you can just install and you can start working with CapCut. I hope you all understand about this class. If you are having any doubt, you can just ask us. We'll be able to help you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.